matches. Finishing in second in the Bratwurst division, Chloe. Chloe making it in after that exciting semifinals finish. And our champion in the Bratwurst division, it's Chewy.
Turn around. Turn around. Stand there,
Once again, congratulations to all of our competitors this year. And thanks for coming on out. We hope next year will be just as fun. Have to thank Doxy Delights once again. Stop on by over at their tent right next door and check out all the great dachshund goodies that they have. Also have to thank Stottsburger College Veterinary Technology Program. And once again, all the volunteers helping us out here at the 3rd Annual Wiener Dog Nationals.